I've tried it, and and I've even read where it said, if let's say you had two items and you focus 100% into that item, or excuse me, if you had two items and you focus 60% over here on one item and 40% on the other, then it's like, well, what if you just took that 40% and just really threw everything into that, and you would get further and faster. So, anyway, let's go on to point number five. Point number five: effective what communication and meeting management. Listen, I hate to meet just to meet. You know how that is, family. People just be, hey, look, let me put a meeting on your calendar. You're like, okay. And there's no agenda. Oh, I just wanted to talk to you about my grandma. And she went down the street and she got a loaf of white bread. And then she went and got some jelly. And I'm like, hey, listen, respectfully, and I would prefer that next time you meet with me that we have agenda or a purpose enclosed in the meeting invite